wanted to greet with hope our students, our teachers, sisters, father, and all the staff of DIS. Thank you for inviting Caritas to be here and to share our identity and mission with you all. But first of all, I would invite everyone to raise your left hand. Okay? And as you raise your left hand, you think of all the things, people around you that you would like to thank God for. Okay? Okay? The hands down. Then raise your right hand. Right hand. And you think or feel in your heart, what do you hope for? Okay? Hands down. Thank you. So, as you can see in the PowerPoint, is the Caritas logo. Once I went to the university to share Caritas with the students, and I asked them, are you familiar with the logo? And they said, yes. We saw it on top of the cake for fundraising. But we will understand better why we do the fundraising and what is Caritas is all about. So Caritas was founded in Germany in 1897 and was elevated to international platform in 1951 as Caritas Internationalis. Today, Caritas is the largest non-government agency doing humanitarian services around the world. Because why it is the second? What organization is the largest? The Red Cross. So Caritas Internationalis is a confederation of 160 member organizations who are working at the grassroots in almost every country of the world. Caritas Internationalis has its headquarters in Rome under the mandate of Pope Francis through the Dicastery of Integral Human Development. Caritas Internationalis is coordinating in emergency operation, formulating development policy, and advocating for a better world for everyone. Caritas is divided into regions. Namely, you might belong to some of these regions: Africa, Asia, Europe, Latin America, and the Caribbean, Middle East, North Africa, North America, and Oceania. So what does Caritas do? Caritas is present where there are conflicts and disasters. Caritas, being the helping arm of the Catholic Church, acts fast to save lives and livelihoods in emergencies. Caritas is experienced and skilled in emergency preparedness and response to face emergencies like floods or droughts. It also focuses on disaster risk reduction, which means taking steps to lessen the harm done by repeated natural disaster, especially here in Asia. Where there is war or political conflict, Caritas forges dialogue to prevent the conflict which causes suffering and loss, and works to transform active conflicts into peaceful resettlement.